For the last 3 days, we've been having a training conference on advocacy from the church to the community. And this is on women inclusion, social inclusion, and community change through the church. So we have had community champions, paralegals, volunteers coming in for training. We're equipping them with skills on how to conduct an advocacy campaign, create momentum, sustainability.
The seminars impacted me so much in the area of community. I understand that now the communities are the people who come to church and they undergo many challenges. And for this reason, I've come to understand that we have to break the boundaries and regard all people so that we can advocate. People are being silenced, like widows, orphans, those people are being silenced. And I want to advocate for them to receive their rights.
The sustainability was the most important bit of this training because it allows them to be able to continue beyond the project. And most of the people targeted are faith-based leaders, they're pastors, they're elders, they're youths within the church, who are the most important bit when it comes to church transformation. We did our own expectation percentaging, and so far we have met 85% of the expectations they had in mind. And we had shared before what we wanted to do because this is the second cohort, meaning that they're coming out with skills beyond what they did in the first cohort. And most of them are volunteers within their communities and also community champions. And we are counting on them being ToTs, trainers of trainees in the regions and in their churches. So most of them are from FPFK. There are those who are not from FPFK also. We have some Muslims and we also have some other churches who are here. So most of them, we are counting on them being trainers of trainees for advocacy and system. Right now we are targeting on system change. Why is change not happening despite all the activities that we are able to do, especially when it comes to women inclusion and leadership? So if they are able to influence change, then we are sure that in the next coming elections, in the community elections, in the community leadership forums, they'll be able to elect women.
Say no to gender-based violence, say no to child marriage, Inuka Dada.
And I feel that when I go back, I'm going to be a taste to those people who need the taste of this life, and I'm so grateful.
So I'm coming out as an advocate. I'm a community mobilizer. So I'm going to come out as an advocate and to mobilize the widows in our area because they are being denied some chances in churches, especially when their husbands have died. They are denied those chances of prayers and they don't have even leadership chances. So this is a very good opportunity that I'm going to tell the widows that they have the right to be leaders, even though they are widows, but they have that right, especially when they have that gap of not having their husbands around. They still are leaders back at home and in churches and within the community.
The first lot of women who are selected, who are called and ordained to be pastors in FPFK. So I've been a pastor for the last 3 years in FPFK Gando Church in Nairobi region, and I've been here and I've learned a lot. Being the first women to be pastors, it has not been easy, but we are going out there to tell other women that they can. They can also lead in the church, they can also do what men are doing, and some fear that they cannot be good leaders, they cannot become pastors. But I'll go out there and encourage them and tell them that they can also be good leaders in the churches and also take the big position in the church and in the community.
We have been carrying out mentorship sessions in schools, in the community, advocating on ending child marriages and gender-based violence, and I really see that as a great opportunity and achievement that I have already done.